Hello friends, welcome to my new vlog. Hope you're all doing well. Today I am at the Rainforest Resort Athripally, one of the most beautiful resorts of Kerala with epic view of the Athripally waterfalls. Imagine waking up to the soothing sounds of a majestic waterfall cascading down into a tranquil pool. The resort's lush surroundings and beautiful views create a serene oasis, perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. I once again welcome you to Rainforest Resort, Athripally. As you all know, I live in Trivandrum. It took almost 5 hours to reach the resort. The drive was super long. If you're someone who is coming from North India or any other part of India, the nearest airport is Cochin Airport. From Cochin Airport, you can hire a car or taxi and reach to the resort. As you reach Chalakudi and enter into the forest zone, at the checkpoint, you have to provide your name and vehicle details. The drive towards the resort is absolutely wonderful. If you're lucky, you can get sighting of wild animals. As I stepped into the resort, I was greeted with a warm smile by the staff.
Welcome to Rainforest. Please come.
The refreshing aroma of tropical flowers and the soothing sounds of nature immediately put me at ease. I was offered a refreshing welcome drink which helped quench my thirst after the long journey. The staff were very attentive and personalized in their service, making sure I had everything I needed for a comfortable stay. Their friendly demeanor and helpful nature made me feel right at home. As I settled in, I could not help but notice the breathtaking surroundings. The resort's lush greenery and beautiful views of the waterfall created a serene ambience perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. From the moment I arrived, I knew my stay at the resort would be memorable. The warm welcome and exceptional service set the tone for a wonderful experience amidst nature's beauty. As I reached early to the resort, I decided to do an activity. While you soak in all the beauty at the rainforest, they have also thought of some exciting things for you to do here. Some of these might sound a little adventurous. Maybe they are. If you are a first timer, even better, you're going to explore this place like never before. The experts and the naturalists take care of your comfort and safety. I went for the waterfall trek, got closer and closer, and you feel smaller and smaller in front of the grandeur of the roaring falls. A half an hour walk and you would not want to come back for hours. Life flows here. Other activities that the resort offers are forest walk, cycling, bird watching and water hopping. The walk towards the base of the waterfall is slightly challenging. It's a 250-meter trek downhill to get a stunning view of the waterfall. The waterfall is located very near to the resort. As you reach down at the base, The waterfall looks so amazing and worth all the effort. Athripally Waterfalls, known as Niagara of India, is a breathtaking destination in Kerala located in Sholayar Forest. It is about 63 kilometers from Thrissur district. The waterfall stands at 80 feet, that is 25 meters high and 100 meters wide, cascading in 4 drops. Best time to visit is June to October. During the monsoon season, it is ideal for witnessing the waterfall in full glory. However, September to January is also recommended for a more pleasant experience. The entry fees is 50 for adults and 10 for children, 200 for foreigners. The waterfall is open from 8 am to 5 pm. After finishing the waterfall trek, I started to film the property. Now you're watching the indoor play area. The play area looks very cool because of its design. In the evening, you can have fun with your family and friends. The resort is designed in such a way that each and every room of the resort has the view of the Athripally waterfalls. I stayed in the celestial room. This room in particular and the Treehouse has hosted many If you are someone who is looking forward for a honeymoon destination, this resort with waterfall view is indeed a perfect spot for a honeymoon. The romantic ambience, breathtaking views, and serene surroundings create an unforgettable experience for newlyweds. The sound of the waterfall, lush greenery, and beautiful views create a romantic ambience perfect for couples to relax and enjoy each other's company. The Rainforest Resort, Athripally offer luxurious amenities such as private jacuzzi, spa treatment, and fine dining, making your honeymoon even more special. Now we are slowly moving towards the treehouse. The staff of the Athripally resort allowed me to spend some time at the treehouse. The view and the stay from the treehouse is altogether different level of experience. When you step inside the treehouse, you feel that you are inside a jungle. The treehouse is an exceptional example of the fusion of nature with modern architecture. This design marvel created by a Swiss architect has been engineered to allow for the needs of the growing tree. Standing in your treehouse and looking out at the tops of the trees in the rainforest and the thundering waterfall is a super sight indeed. Please note, room service is unavailable and staying with children in the treehouse may not be a good idea. The resort's restaurant serves a variety of local and traditional dishes. Now it's time to listen from the staff of the Rainforest Resort Athripally.
നമസ്കാരം, എൻ്റെ പേര് സുരേഷ്. ഞാൻ ഈ റിസോർട്ടിലെ നാച്ചുറലിസ്റ്റ് ആണ്. നമ്മുടെ റിസോർട്ടിൻ്റെ പേര് റെയിൻ ഫോറസ്റ്റ് അതിരപ്പള്ളി റിസോർട്ടാണ്. ഏറ്റവും വൺ ഓഫ് ദി മോസ്റ്റ് പ്രീമിയം റിസോർട്ടാണ്. അതിരപ്പള്ളി വെള്ളച്ചാട്ടത്തിനോട് ഏറ്റവും അടുത്ത് കിടക്കുന്ന റിസോർട്ടാണ് റെയിൻ ഫോറസ്റ്റ് റിസോർട്ട്. നമുക്ക് ബേസ് കാറ്റഗറിയിൽ 6 റൂം, ലക്ഷറി റൂം, അതുമാതിരി തന്നെ 2 പ്രീമിയം റൂംസ്, 2 സെലസ്റ്റിയൽ റൂംസ്, ഒരു ട്രീ ഹൗസ്, ഇങ്ങനെ ടോട്ടൽ 10 എണ്ണമാണ് നമുക്കുള്ളത്. എല്ലാ റൂമിൽ നിന്നും ഈ കാണുന്ന മാതിരി തന്നെ വ്യൂ ആണ് നമുക്ക് എല്ലാ റൂമിൽ നിന്നും നമുക്ക് കിട്ടാൻ സാധിക്കുക. അതുമാതിരി തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ റിസോർട്ട് നിലനിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരു കാടുമായി ചുറ്റപ്പെട്ട ഒരു ഏരിയയിലാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ കാടുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട രീതിയിലാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഇതിൻ്റെ കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷനും അതുമാതിരി ലൈറ്റ് അടക്കം നമ്മൾ ആ രീതിയിലാണ് നമ്മൾ കൺസ്ട്രക്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത് ബുക്ക് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ സൈറ്റിൽ കയറി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മുടെ കോൺടാക്റ്റ് നമ്പറും അതിൻ്റെ വിശദ വിവരങ്ങൾക്ക് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾ വരിക, നിങ്ങൾ ബുക്ക് ചെയ്ത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ലൈഫ് ഇവിടെ എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യുക, താമസിക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാ രീതിയിലുള്ള നിങ്ങൾക്കുള്ള സപ്പോർട്ടും എല്ലാ രീതിയിലുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളും നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തു തരുന്നതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, വെൽക്കം, താങ്ക് യു.
Now we are slowly heading towards the pool area. Imagine swimming in a pool surrounded by lush greenery with the majestic sight of a waterfall cascading down in the background. The sound of rushing water creates a soothing melody while the warm sun shines down on your skin. The pool area is designed to provide a relaxing ambience with comfortable lawn chairs and shaded areas to unwind. Take a refreshing dip in the pool or simply lounge by the water's edge, enjoying the tranquil atmosphere. Swimming in a pool with a waterfall view is an unforgettable experience. The combination of natural beauty, serene ambience, and refreshing water creates a perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. Overall, I enjoyed my stay in this beautiful resort. After spending a lot of time at the pool, I went to my room and enjoyed the rest of my stay at this beautiful Rainforest resort, Athripally. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Until I post my next travel video, be happy and be safe. For promotion, call 808 6626 081. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.